Welcome to this tutorial on resetting your WordPress site and starting fresh in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly and efficiently restore your site to its original state, allowing you to begin anew without lingering customizations. The process is straightforward and designed to be as simple as possible so that you can follow along with ease. Begin by navigating to WordPress using your preferred web browser. When you land on the main page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find a login option. This login process is an essential first step as it opens the door to managing your site's settings and content. Once you click on the login button, you will be presented with a secure authentication page. Next, you will see an option to continue with a Google account. Click on the Continue with Google button, which conveniently allows you to select one of your linked Google accounts. This streamlined process not only simplifies your login, but also leverages the security features inherent in using your Google credentials. Once you have chosen your account, WordPress will grant you access to the site's management dashboard. After logging in, shift your focus to the top right corner of the dashboard where you will find the settings controls. It is important to locate the correct settings option because this section holds the key to further operations on your site. Review the available settings and make sure you are comfortable with navigating through them, as these controls are fundamental when making any changes. Now that you have accessed the correct settings area, proceed to your blog home. The blog home is a central location that displays your website's posts and updates. This is where you usually manage the appearance and layout of your content. Once you are on the blog home screen, your next task is to look for an interactive menu marked by 3 distinct dots. This icon signifies additional options and tools that extend your ability to manage the site. Once you have located the 3 dots, click on this menu to reveal several actions that can be taken regarding your website's current configuration. Among these available options, find and select the reset command. It is crucial at this point to pause and consider that resetting your site will remove custom settings and may delete recent changes. Therefore, if you have any content or configurations that you might want to preserve, make sure you have a backup before you proceed. After you select the reset option, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This prompt ensures that you are certain about your decision. With the confirmation dialog in view, click on reset once more to finalize your action. This double confirmation step prevents accidental resets and secures the process by requiring your deliberate affirmation. Following these steps will trigger the reset process, reverting your WordPress site back to its original, unmodified state. With your site now restored to its default settings, you are free to rebuild, redesign, or update it according to your latest needs. By taking the time to understand this process, you have ensured that you can quickly start fresh on WordPress and approach your new project with clarity and confidence. This tutorial has provided clear instructions on accessing your account, navigating through essential settings, and executing the reset command. Enjoy the benefits of working on a clean slate as you embark on your next creative endeavor with WordPress.